All I can do is hope that there's one small piece of his mind tucked away someplace safe. One final sliver of humanity holding on for dear life, buried deep inside.
I know, Bonnie. You're right. You and my mom both are. I just can't bring myself to tell him. At least not tonight. I'll call you later.
Catherine.
No, I'm Elena.
Delena. All I can do is hope that there's one small piece of his mind tucked away someplace safe. One final sliver of humanity holding on for dear life, buried deep inside.
I know, Bonnie. You're right. You and my mom both are. I just can't bring myself to tell him. At least I'll call you later.
Catherine.
No, I'm Elena.
Delena. I need you. I don't know how much longer I can fight.
I tried to grieve him, Caroline. Trust me, I know grief. I've got grieving down to a science at this point, and I tried. But every time, I let it sink in that I'm never gonna see him again. I feel like I'm gonna die.
Oh, I hear you breathing.
When love was
You
found.
had no idea how long I wanted to hear you breathe.
I kept my hope just like I hoped to.
Just open the door, Elena.
For feelings deep.
Everything can go back to...
Everything
Well,
looks so good. Sorry.
You first.
How about eggplant parmesan?
You're an eggplant girl.
Is that bad? You don't like eggplant.
Love it. Just taking notes.
We've had
Mental notes.
For what? Our second date?
I was thinking 5-year anniversary.
Let you prove what you could do. At 17, I was alright. Was like nothing I could feel inside. And wishing you were here tonight is like holding on.
How was yours?
But I still get to see your face, right?
Can we go back to the part where Rick came
And it's
back
like
to life?
nothing they can
College
take, right?
professor.
Still won't be no feeling in the firelight. Hoping this'll be right. Time to show your worth, child.
It's not before the cake.
It's your party. You can cry if you want.
I remember when our heart broke, it was stubborn shit. That's no way to be living. That is ruthless.
Seriously?
And I'm always thinking summertime when the bike's out. Pushing, I love getting wiped out. Days with nothing but laughing loud. Underneath my coat, when you tap my shoulder, hold my hand. Nights when nothing but dark in there. You could be my armor then. Island smiles and cardigans. The nights that we've been drinking, and we're here to help you kill all of this hurt that you've been harboring. Confessions that we better plan alone. That night I'm surely damned. Run away, I'll understand. What's important is this evening I will not forget. Purple, blue, orange, red, these colors are feeling. Give me love, I put my heart in it, and I think about it all the time. Lights went out, you will find you kind of struggle not to shine. I still love you though, I still love you though, I still love you always. So hold me when I'm home, keep the evenings long.
One more.
I can break 'em apart.
Thank you.
and I wonder if I could let it down.
You know what, maybe it is, but I'm telling you, it's the most real thing that I've ever felt in my entire life. I love you, Delena.
It's for real, it's for real.
I love you.
Look, I'm gonna get this cure for you. But listen carefully. Get in your car. Right now. Come to me.
I'll be there soon.
Call arrows to fall short because the snow is at our feet, and when embraces subside and the lilies have died, it comes down to her tears on a sheet. But it's alright because you cause lanterns to light, force demons disperse. And if Lucifer may fear the swift drying of tears, then for evil you could not be worse. But I see you now, yeah, I see you, and release me now, kinda like dreams do. And I see you now, it's hard to see. Just don't forget to sing. Remember everything. You're the only little girl I know who'd bring a kite in the snow. Said you're just gonna hold it up, said nah, I'm gonna let it go. And when your heart hurts, days like today are the antidote. If you think just maybe it's her, then promise me, young man, you're gonna let her know. Why do you think my bill